Alright, all the Rice Oriental homemade recipes on the internet are overthinking it. They're far too complicated. You know, Hamburger Helper was supposed to be easy. It's not supposed to be complicated. The way I do it, you start with a base of Rice Roni Stir Fry rice. You're going to make that. That's the base. Then you put a teaspoon garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and salt and pepper. You put that into your meat. Not very much salt because the soy sauce is very salty. That's it. After this is done, after that's done, mix them together. That is 100% what Rice Oriental was. It tastes exactly like Rice Oriental. Okay, the meat is done. The stir fry, Rice Roni Stir Fry is done. Dump that in there. Yep, it tastes exactly like Rice Oriental. It's super easy.